How to get $100 Get Your Guide promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Get Your Guide promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Get Your Guide. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. 10% off, $15 off, $60 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, click on copy, then click on redeem at Get Your Guide. You will be directed to the official website. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find many offers. Likewise, make sure to check out other websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Get Your Guide. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for Get Your Guide. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.